Yes, children. In previous class, we learned about 4-digit numbers, how to write 4-digit number by using 4 one-digits, place values, number names, and abacus also. Now, today we learned about face value and place value. Place values already I said in previous class. We compare that place value and face value in of the digits in a 4-digit number. Okay. Today we will discuss about face value and place values of each digit in a 4-digit number. Next, how to write a 4-digit number in expanded forms, and how to write short form. Okay, today our topics are these 3. Once again I will say face value and place value. Next, how to write expanded forms, how to write short forms for the expanded forms. Okay, children. Okay. Now here, place value of a digit. See, I will show you. Here I will give a number. You don't know what is this number? Yes, 3527. 7. Once again I will revise that previous class 1 place values. Place values you should start from right side now. Your extreme right. 7 is there. 7 is in ones place. 2 is in tens place. 5 is in hundreds place. 3 is in 3 is in thousands place. I will repeat. 7 is in ones place. That means the value of 7 is 7 only. Next, 2 is in tens place. Then value of 2 is 20. Next, 5. 5 is in hundreds place. Value of 5 is 500. Next, 3. 3 is in thousands place. Then the value of 3 is 3000. Okay. Then the number name is 3527. 3527. Okay. Did you learn that 1000 spelling perfectly, with children? Yes. THOUSAND. 1000. Now, here see. I gave you the number 3527. 3527. In previous class also I showed how to write places in a place value chart. Here up 3, that is the place value chart. I kept that digits in the place value chart. Yes, 7 is in ones place, 2 is in tens column, 5 is in hundreds column, and 3 is in thousands column. Place value of a digit depends upon its place. Okay, listen children, all of you. Place value of a digit depends upon its place in the number. Okay. Here one more new word came, that is face value. Face. Face means here your face, your father face, your mother face. See like that? Like that you should recognize the faces means here also you should recognize that same number. That means face value of a digit is the digit itself. Did you understand what is the difference between place value and face value? See, place value of a digit depends upon its place in the number, where it should rest. And what is the place? In which place that 3 is there, in which place that 2 is there, in which place that 5 is there, in which place 7 is there. Those are called place values. Then what about face value? Face value of a digit is the digit itself. Whatever digit. 3 is there means place value of 3. Face value of 3 is 3 only. Face value of 5 is 5 only. Face value of 2 is 2 only. Face value of 7 is 7 only. Whatever number, whatever digit is there, the same digit is called face value. Okay. What digit you are representing there, that is face value. Face value of a digit is the digit itself. Okay, here see, I gave for you 3527. Here already we know about place values. 7 is in ones place, 2 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, 3 is in thousands place. 2 is in tens place means the value is 20. 5 is in hundreds place means 500. 3 is in thousands place means 3000. Place value of 3 is 3000. Place value of 5 is 500. Place value of 2 is 20. Place value of 7 is 7. Now come to face value. Our today's new topic, face value. I already said no. What is the face value? Face value is the number itself. The digit is the same digit. Face value of a digit is the digit itself. Itself means same. Okay. Now here from if you start from any side also no problem. If you start from your extreme left also no problem. Your extreme right also no problem. Here in the middle also no problem. Whatever they are asking, you should say the same digit. Suppose if I will ask what is the face value of 5 means 5 only. 7 means 7 only. 2 means 2 only. 3 means 3 only. Very easy, no? Yes, face means like that. Face value means like that. The digit itself. Okay. Now see here. I gave in the table about a place value and face value. 3527. Place value of 7 is same in the last one's place is same for place and face. Place value also 7, face value also 7. Okay. Now here see the number the digit 2. 2 is in tens place. Then the place value is 20, face value is 2 only. The digit itself. Okay. Now 5 is in hundreds place. That means place value of 5 is 500, face value is 5. Next 3. Come to 3. 3 is in thousands place. 3 is in thousands place. That means the value of 3 is 3000 and face value of 3 is 3 only. Okay? Now, I think you understood. Next, here expanded forms. About expanded forms. Okay, this is also very easy. In the first class means in the previous class I said no about the place values. Here place values only. Expanded form means expanded form of a number is the sum of places, not places, place values. Sum of place values of each digit of the number. Okay? Once again I will say you, the expanded form of a number is the sum of place values. Sum of place values, not places, place values. Place values of each digit of the number. Sum means addition, no children? Sum, S-U-M, sum means addition. Okay, what is the sign for addition? Plus. So, we will show the expanded form by using the sign plus. Okay. By reading the number names, we can write the expanded form and short form of the numbers. Okay. For writing number name, we can use these expanded forms also. Now, here see, I will show you some examples. Now you understood what is the expanded form? Shall I repeat once again? Okay. The expanded form of a number is the sum, S-U-M, sum of place values of each digit of the number. Each digit of the number. And if you should write place value for each and every digit in the given number. After that, you should add. Add means you should write with plus sign. Okay, you should write with the plus sign. You should divide that place values of each digit and you should show with the plus symbol. Okay, see here first number. Here I will revise the number name also. Observe carefully. First number 1352. 1352. Then here place values already you know. You start from here 4 digits. That means first digit is in thousands place. Second digit in hundreds place. Third digit in tens place. Fourth digit is in ones place. Here in the hundreds place 1 is there. Then you should write. See your right side beta. 1 is in what is the place value of 1? 1 is in thousands place now. So the value is 1000 plus. You should use plus symbol because expanded form of a number is the sum of place values. Sum of place values. So you should show with the sign plus. Next, 3 is in hundreds place. So the place value of 3 is 300 plus. 5 is in tens place. So we should write 50 plus 2. This is called expanded form of the number 1352. Okay. Now see, very easy now. Come to second number, that is 9264. First of all, before starting the number name, before starting the number how to write in expanded form, you should see how many digits given in the number. Either 3, 2 or 4. If 4 digits are there, you should start with 1000. Yes. Now here see 4 digits. 9264. This is 4 digit number. Then the number name is 9264. 9 is in thousands place. So you should write 9000. The place value of 9 is 9000 plus 2 is in hundreds place. Then you should write 200 plus 6 is in tens place. Then you should write 60 plus 4 is in ones place. So you should write 4. Then I will read the expanded form of this number. 9000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 4. This is the expanded form for 9264. Okay, next number. Here also 4 digit number I given. That is 4895. 4895. 4 is in thousands place. So 4000 plus 8 is in hundreds place. So 800 place value you should write 800 plus 9090. 9 is in tens place. So you should write 90 plus 5. Okay. Now come to next number. Here also 4 digit number I given. 6039. Here if you observe the number, there is nothing in hundreds place. There is 0 is there. 0 means nothing. Okay. Then no need to write that place. No need to write that place value in the expanded form. Okay. Now here which digit is there in thousands place? 6. So you should write 6000 plus, no need to write hundreds place. So next go to tens place only. 3 is in tens place. So you should write 6000 plus 30 plus 9. That's it. If 0 came in the number, whenever you want to write expanded form, no need to write that place. Okay. Where that 0 in that place no need to write that place value. Okay children. Now if you want to write plus 0, you should write also, no problem, that is correct only. Okay. Now see here the last number 3978. That is 3978. 3978. Okay. 3 is in thousands place. That means 3000 plus 9 is in hundreds place. 900 plus 7 is in tens place. 70 plus 8. 3000 plus 900 plus 70 plus 8. Okay. Okay. These are the expanded forms. Now you understood how to write expanded forms? Yes, expanded forms means nothing but place values. Okay, you should write the place values, sum of place values of each digit in the given number. Sum of the place values. Okay children, sum of the place values. Okay, now come to short forms. Short forms means the reverse order of expanded form to short form to expanded form, we don't know that reverse order. Here I only given for you expanded form. You should write here. You should see carefully the place values. All place values are there or not. Okay. If suppose any place missing means instead of that place, in that place you should keep 0. It should be must. Okay. See here one important point children. Once again I will show you. Here see in expanded forms, the fourth number. See the fourth number. Here 6039. 0K means no need to write in the expanded form I said. But in the short forms, it is very important to write 0. If you not write 0, the value of the number will change. Yes, so here very important to write 0. If suppose place value is not mentioned in the expanded form, then in that place you should write 0 in the short form. Okay, that is very important to write short forms from the expanded form. Okay, I will show you with examples. See here, first one, 9,000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 2. All are there. Thousands column is there, the hundreds are there, hundreds column is there, tens column is there, ones column is there. Then you should write directly 9352, 9,352. Next, second one. Here I gave 3,000 plus 20 plus 5. Which is 3 only are there, but first thousands column is there. Then you should write 4 digits in the short form. Which place is missing, you should see carefully. Thousands place is there, 3,000, plus hundreds place not there. So in hundreds place you should write 0. You should mention 0. Okay, then you should write 3025. 3025. Next one. Understand better? Next. 4,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 1. Here four places are there. Thousands place is there, hundreds place is there, tens place is there, and ones place also there. Then you should write the digits. Okay. In first thousands place 4, hundreds place 5, tens place 7, and ones place 1. 4, 5, 7, 1. 4,571. Next. Next one, see. 7,000. 1,000 came means you should write, that is the 4-digit number. Should remember like that. First thousands came means that is the 4-digit number. But here I saw means 3 place values only given. Then 1 is missing. You should revise like that in your mind. Okay. Now here see 7,000 plus 200 plus 8. Which is missing here? Tens place is missing. So in the tens place you should write 0 and you should write other digits in their places. In their places. 7 is in thousands place, 2 is in hundreds place. Here hundreds column was missing now, so you should write 0 in the tens place and 8 in ones place. Then the number is 7,208. Okay, very good. Next, the last expanded form, 6,000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 3. Sum of the place values. Okay, expanded form means sum of the place values of the digits in the given number. Now, here 4 columns are there and starting with 1,000 only. So, 4 digits only we want to write in the short form. 4 that means the formation of 4-digit number. 6483. 6,483. 6483. Okay. These are the short forms. Once again I will show you today's topics. Observe the screen. Yes, today we learned, already we discussed about place values and face values of the digits in the given number and expanded forms and short forms. Yes, see here, observe the screen. Yes, face values. Once again, place value of a digit depends upon its place in the number. Okay, place value is depends upon its place in the number and face value of a digit is the digit itself. Okay, the digit itself is called face value. The same number will come. Okay, now expanded form. Expanded form means the expanded form of a number is the sum of the place values of each digit of the number. Sum of the place values of each digit of the number. Okay. Here you should remember whenever you get 0, no need to write 0 in the expanded form. If you want to write plus 0 plus like that. Okay. Now, see, this is very important here. Whenever you want to write the short forms, once again I will say you better remember it. Whenever you want to write short forms, you should see carefully the place values. If place value was missing, you should write in that place, you should write 0. Okay, you should write 0. Okay? Okay, these are the today's topics. You should practice at house. Okay, thank you.